The Flex Dual gives you control over some of the audio outputs found on your TriCaster. If you look in the upper left corner of the control panel, you'll find 4 knobs, and these will affect different parts of the audio mixer. There's a knob labeled Out 1. This will control the master audio out on the mixer. So if I rotate this, you can see I can move the level up or down, and I can also push the knob to perform a mute function to mute or unmute that channel. The one labeled Out 2 will affect the aux channel, the first aux coming out, and again, you can mute that as well. The one labeled Phones will affect the headphone output, and again, you can mute that as well. And all 3 of these are found on the back of the audio card found on your Flex system. There's one last knob called talkback, and this will adjust the talkback level. That will always be that channel of the audio mixer. And this also works with the talkback function, which you can hold down to enable the talkback feature on the audio mixer. You'll also notice that below each knob is a small VU meter, so you can get an idea of the current levels assigned to that output or your talkback channel.